Hey guys, how's it going? It's been a while since I made a video. I pulled the tendon off my arm, so it's kind of hard to do stuff one-handed, but we're going to attempt to make a welding cart here so I can get my plasma cutter and my welder all on one cart. Plus I can use these drawers to store my goods. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to frame here and put a little platform out here so I can put my bottle on it. And hang my cords and stuff. So anyway, I already pulled the drawers out, took the wheels off of it. I think we're just gonna weld the wheels right back to it. I mean, it's gonna hold it in these 3 points. I don't think the center point is gonna be that necessary. So anyway, I'm gonna start by knocking this down a little bit, getting it flat. So that way maybe I can cut a notch into a piece of steel. I don't know, I hadn't really thought about it that much. You know, so it hangs over. Yeah, I don't know, now that I look at it. I mean, it really needs to be up some more, doesn't it? So I'm gonna put the wheels on it out here. I'll think about that. Anyway, as I get to that process, I'll show you. That's what we're doing here. I do want to get it a little flusher though, so because I am going to butt a sheet of steel up against it. So I'm going to go ahead and knock that all flat and probably make a big mess of it. But anyway, enjoy the video and I'll show you as I go. Okay, so I got some of my pieces cut, or most of my bottom pieces cut. I think what I'm gonna do is put those in there, and then come from the other side, just hit it with spray paint. Go ahead and tack those in, and then once it's all tacked up, do the same with these here. I'll come through the other side, like I said, and hit it with spray paint, and then put some screws in it. I think that'll work out all right. Maybe I can get them on these corners too. We'll see. Okay, so I don't know where I took off. I did got my sling off. That's awesome. Still can't bend it. Still not supposed to really use it. Lift over more than a pound or two. But anyway, so here's my bottle hold down. I was going to have it just open like that, but I can't do that because it hits the bottle. So what I'm going to have to do is split it down the middle, and then I'm going to I'll weld this piece onto it, tack it on there, and grind it down so it looks good. But go ahead and tack it on there, split it in the middle, and then that way it can open like that. So I'm going to start on that and see how we end up. Okay, so there it is with the bottle secured, and it's pretty good in there. It shakes a little, obviously, but I mean it's got a little side to side, but it's not going to go anywhere. It's better than those chains, so I feel pretty confident about that. It's not going to pop off. It's welded on there pretty good. So now I just need to make some hangers over here for the cords and stuff.
Alright, now we're gonna have some tacos. Time for a little break. Some tacos down from the convenience store. Look at that. Chicken tacos. Delicioso. Sabroso. Sabrosito. Very good indeed. Alright, I know y'all don't want to watch me eat that. I just wanted to show them to you. They're delicious. Do that and then start working on this some more.
Okay, here it is all together, all finished. That's access to my cutters and brush and stuff. Grinders, flap discs and stuff. This is just ratchet straps, junk, motorcycle parts down there. But anyway, that's it.